Hey friends, it's Bridget here. Welcome back to my Sizzle and Spice. Now, if you've been making pepper pot soup with regular chicken, I need you to stop everything. Today we are doing it just like my grandma did, with a hen. We're doing 2 pots side by side. One, a bowl pepper pot soup with callaloo, coconut milk, dumplings, yam, and a rich, hearty stew with green seasoning, garlic, carrots, and potatoes. First, I started off by washing my hen. Then I put it into a pot of boiling water with a piece of onion and a few pimento grain. My way of just cleaning the meat, guys. Then, in another pot of boiling water, I add the chicken after remove it from the first cleaning pot. Then I add my cut up vegetables, my carrots and chocho and all my greens, and I put it in. And I cover it and let it simmer. Then I move on to season the other portion of the hen, guys. I add some green seasoning, some chopped onion and garlic. Then I add my seasoning powders. I give it a rub. Then I cover it and let it sit to marinate maybe for about an hour or two. Afterwards, I sear it off, guys, and let it simmer. When the meat was tender, I add my carrots and my potatoes. And I add some ketchup in there, guys, just to build that nice depth and to make that sauce becomes thickened. And oh baby, when they both were ready, the flavors doesn't lie. Now, if you're looking for those old-fashioned depth of flavors just like your grandma used to make, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, commenting, liking, and sharing the videos. To my new subscribers, welcome to our community. Please remember to watch the videos to the end, like, comment, and share. And if you have been watching this video and have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. And welcome to this community. Thank you for always watching, and I'll catch you around in my upcoming videos. Yeah, man. Bye.